Most people, they don't fail at business because they're lazy. They fail because they just don't know what to do first. They take forever doing research. Then they try to build a website. Then they panic about marketing and they forget to follow up with the leads they've got. And they wonder, why did nobody buy? But starting your first successful business gets much simpler when you use AI and the 5 simple steps that I will walk you through in this video. In fact, I bet you could do all 5 of the steps I'm about to show you, get them done today, and launch your business before tomorrow even starts. And you're going to see how each step works, how each one uses AI to create value, and how any beginner can use the same basic process to launch their first business using Buildy.ai, because one person can now build what used to require an entire team. Now, hey, quick disclaimer before I get into the good stuff. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. And sometimes people get confused a bit about that because we're talking about getting fast results using AI. But AI will not magically make you rich. AI is not going to guarantee customers flood in the door, and AI will not turn a bad offer or a bad product into a good business. You still need to solve real-world problems, and you need to understand your audience. You still need traffic. You still need to follow up with your leads. And yes, you need to do the work to build a business. But AI can help, and it'll make you move faster. It'll help you research faster, build faster, market faster, follow up faster, and sell with better timing. So don't think of AI as a magic money button. Think of it as a business assistant, a researcher, a builder, a marketer, a sales helper, all working with you to get your first version live. Because that is how real companies use AI. Now, as an example, even though Tesla is a giant company, its core uses AI to help drivers. Netflix, it uses AI to help viewers. Spotify uses AI to help listeners. An AI-based business simply uses AI to create a better result for their customers. For a beginner, this can be much simpler. A local gym, maybe you could use AI to follow up with all of your leads. A coach can actually use AI to create plans for their clients. A consultant can use AI to build better proposals. A service business might use AI to answer common customer questions. If you're doing affiliate marketing and getting commissions, you might make a site that uses AI to research keywords and write helpful buying guides. That's the beginner version. Don't ask what kind of giant AI company can I build. Instead, ask what painful problem can I help people solve better using AI. Once you know that, step 2 is to build. Once you start building, here is where most people freeze. They think they need to learn code, design, copywriting, funnels, hosting, email setup, and every tool under the sun. A simple business begins to feel gigantic. And that's when you quit. That's where our tool, Buildy.ai, comes in. Buildy will let you create fast, clean, responsive websites without writing code. You just talk to them in plain English. But the bigger opportunity is not just building your own website. You can use this as a service. So you can actually build sites for others using the platform. Build their landing pages, funnels, sales pages, email follow-up campaigns, monthly maintenance on their business, because businesses always need better digital assets. They need pages updated, offers changed, emails improved, funnels fixed, content added, and when that creates recurring revenue, AI handles a lot of the heavy lifting. You deliver the results. That is the business. A local service business needs more leads. They do not need some giant complicated app. They need a simple page, a clear offer, a way to capture leads, and a way to follow up with emails that bring people back. That is something you can easily build. And with AI, you can build it much faster. But a website alone does not make money. You need step 3, marketing. Marketing is how people find you. And this is where AI can save beginners a lot of time, because most people open a blank page and then they freeze. They don't know what to post. They don't know what to say. They don't know how to explain the offer. And AI can help you turn an idea into content, blog posts, social posts, emails, lead magnets, video scripts, short form video clips, ad ideas, landing pages, and you're not staring at a blank screen anymore. You're actually building a content machine using AI. That's what Buildy can help you with easily. So let's say you want to help a local gym get more leads. Well, AI can help you create a simple lead magnet, maybe a quiz called, hey, what's stopping you from losing weight? Then it can help you write the landing page, create a 7-day email follow-up sequence, write 10 social media posts, draft 3 blog articles, and then test a few ads on top. Now, the gym has more than a website. It's a way to attract people to their business, and that is the difference. A website just sits there. Marketing brings people to it. But attention alone is not enough. That brings us to step 4, the follow-up. And this is where beginners lose money. Someone visits the page, someone clicks, someone fills out a form, and then nothing happens. No email follow-up, no reminders, no next step, no offer, and the lead goes cold. Eventually, maybe the business owner gets around to calling them, but by that time, they've moved on. AI can help fix that. You can send follow-up emails based on what people do on your website or what they don't do. You can personalize all of the messages based on their answers. You can reference real pain points for individual people, and you can track who opened, clicked, watched, or came back. Then you can follow up at exactly the right time with exactly the right message. And that matters because most people, they don't buy the very first time they visit a website. They need to build trust, they need to consume content, and they need a good reason to come back. And follow-up turns interest into momentum. For example, let's say someone takes the quiz on your website and they say they want more leads for their business. They say they already have a website, but they do not have an email follow-up sequence. Well, now you know the next message to send to them. You don't send a random sales pitch. You send something specific. You say, or you can actually have our AI system say it for you. Hey, I noticed you already have a website, but you're missing a follow-up system. And you need something that turns visitors into leads. And that feels personal. That feels relevant. That is much stronger than just some generic message of, hey, you want to buy my marketing service? And that leads right into step 5. Step 5 is sell. And selling is not just asking for money. Selling means matching the right offer to the right person at the right time. AI can help you save time on repetitive sales tasks. It can summarize conversations. It can spot buyer intent. It can help write better outreach. It can help personalize messages. And it can help you understand which leads are warm and which leads are just browsing. This is where AI becomes really useful because most beginners treat every lead the same, but every lead is not the same. Some people are just curious. Some people have a problem. Some people are ready to buy right now. AI can help you tell the difference fast. So let's go back to that quiz example. Let's say a lead says they want more customers. They already have a website, they don't have follow-up emails in place, and they want help this month. That is a hot lead. Now, your offer is obvious. You know what to pitch them. You don't pitch everything. You pitch solving their specific problem. And you say, I can help you turn your visitors into leads with a quiz and follow-up system. That's specific. That's useful. That's easier to sell because it connects directly to what they told you. That is the real power of AI in sales. Not replacing the human relationship, it's improving the timing, improving the messaging, and helping you respond with more context in a personalized way. And in a funny way, AI helps make those sales conversations more human. So those are the 5 steps. We have research, we have build, market, follow up, and sell. That is the basic machine. And notice what is not on that list. It does not say spend 6 months making the perfect logo. Buy every software tool that you use and try to stitch them all together and figure out how you can make them work. You don't wait until you feel ready to launch. You don't rewrite your business plan multiple times forever. None of that gets you customers. Your first business needs momentum. You research the problem fast. You build the first version fast. You market that offer and get it out there fast. You follow up with the leads and then you sell the next step. Because you'll find that your business is not perfect. No matter how much time you spend trying to perfect the business, it won't be the perfect business. You always have to expose it to customers, see what they do, see what they buy, see what they don't buy, and then you improve. And that is how the loop starts. That's where businesses become profitable. But here's the real problem. Most beginners try to do those 5 steps with 10 different tools. One tool for their website, one tool for their email, another tool for their sales funnel, another tool for forms, another tool for their hosting, another tool to write content, another one to help you with your sales, another one to help you with your tracking. And before the business is even live, you're exhausted. So let me show you how there's an easier way. We're going to use Buildy.ai, and it will do all of these things. Literally every single marketing and tech function that your business needs is in one place without having to buy a dozen different tools. Inside Buildy, you could start with just a rough idea, not even a business plan, just a simple idea. Maybe you want to launch a t-shirt store. Maybe you want to rebuild websites for local businesses. Or maybe you want to build an AI software company, and you can even do that in Buildy. Now, in the past, each of these ideas required a team. You needed a designer, a developer, a copywriter, a marketer, someone to do with your email, a funnel person. And if you were just starting out, it feels impossible. But now, one person with zero skills as an absolute beginner can build what used to require an entire team of highly paid professionals. And that is the shift. Buildy helps you create the foundation, and I'll show you in a second just how easy it is, because you can build the website, create the funnel, write the sales page, set up a whole lead capture system, even do a quiz, create follow-up emails, publish content in a website on your blog, and get your first version live. And I would bet for the time you watch the demo that I'm about to give you, you could literally launch your business before tomorrow. It is that fast, it is that easy. But it's all the same foundation: a clear offer, a page, a funnel, a lead system, a follow-up system, and content. And that is the real shortcut, not skipping the work, skipping all the chaos of a dozen different tools. Because your first business does not need 20 disconnected apps. It needs a simple machine. Research the problem, build the page, market the offer, follow up with leads, and sell. And with one person, you can now build what used to take a whole team to create. And that means the only thing left to do is launch. So now let me show you just how easy it is to use this powerful AI tool to start with an idea and build out an entire business. Here we go. Now, one thing you'll notice, I'm going to use the voice mode, so you don't even have to type if you don't want to. You can do this by typing in text in just a text chatbot, or you can speak to Buildy in plain English like this.
Hey there, Bill. I'm Buildy. I can help you build a website, run market research, set up marketing campaigns, and more. What are you working on?
Yeah, I want to set up a t-shirt store, really high-end, 100% natural materials in all of my shirts, premium brand. I want like a homepage with a storefront, but it also goes over our mission to use organic, natural materials, not synthetics. And I want to offer a 10% off coupon that people have to put in their name and email to claim the coupon so that I can follow up with them and sell them more stuff later. Can you help me build all that?
That is a solid brief. A premium organic t-shirt store with a homepage, mission section, and a lead capture offer for 10% off. Before I kick this off, I just want to clarify one thing. What's the brand name? I caught Lipsmack, but I want to make sure I have that right. Is that the actual name of the store?
No, but that kind of sounds cool. Let's call it Lipsmack. Why not?
I love it. Lipsmack it is. Let me get this started for you right now.
Can you help me with, I want to write the email follow-up sequence. Let's do a 7-day sequence that just talks about the values of the brand and follow up for 7 days from like 7 different angles, trying to get them to come back and use their 10% off coupon. So can you create that and then set up the whole follow-up sequence for me and then do the Instagram?
That is a great plan. A 7-day nurture sequence that hits the brand mission from different angles each day. I'll kick off the email sequence first, then the Instagram content right after. In the meantime, one thing worth knowing, to actually send those emails, you'll need a verified custom domain email set up on your end. That's something we can walk through together once we're inside the email setup.
So you can help me register my domain name and get the site live too?
Yes, absolutely. Once the site is built, I can help you get a custom domain connected and live. Do you already have a domain name in mind, or do you want to figure that out together once the build is done?
Yeah, we can figure that out. So you can check domains and see if they're available and then register them for me?
My team is making good progress on the storefront right now, by the way. On the domain question, I can help you set up and connect a domain once the site is ready.
So now Buildy is busy creating all of that stuff for me. And as you can see, he does everything from registering your domain name, setting up your website and your hosting, all of your email infrastructure, your marketing and follow-up system, even my Instagram posts to launch my new store. And that is just scratching the surface of all of the amazing things that Buildy can do for me simply by talking to him in plain English, which now puts all of these complicated technical and marketing things in the hands of anyone without any skills. And then he has an entire team of AIs behind the scene that he can tap to, and they actually go to work and build these things for you. He can even help you with research. So if you're not sure what kind of business exactly to launch, he'll research it for you and guide you. And that's the other thing. If at any point you're not sure what to do next on your brand new business journey, you just ask him. He's your coach, your mentor, and he'll guide you through how to build, launch, and grow your brand new business.
Bill, the Lip Smack store is ready. We've got a full premium homepage with a product storefront, an organic materials mission section, and a lead capture form that collects name and email in exchange for that 10% off coupon. All contacts go straight into your CRM for follow-up. Everything is in preview right now. So when you're happy with how it looks, just hit publish in the top right to make it live.
And here we go. Here is the preview of the Lip Smack luxury natural fiber t-shirt brand. And we can see here we have a nice hero shot of an example model. They've even made some example products for us with a size picker and then a shopping cart. There's our 10% off coupon. And so now anybody who fills out this request for a coupon is going to get a 7-day follow-up sequence. And on top of that, Buildy has created an Instagram campaign for us to get our first traffic. That's how quick and efficient Buildy can be. So if you want to start your first business using AI, do not start with some giant dream. Start with one problem, one audience, one offer, one page, one follow-up system, all on one platform. Then you get it out in front of people. AI will help you move faster, but it cannot choose courage for you. You still have to launch. You still have to test. You still have to hear what the market says once you get it out there. But once you do that, you're no longer guessing. You're learning. And that is where a real business begins. So if you want to try Buildy.ai, I'll drop a link down in the comments and descriptions down there. By the way, if this helped you out, got some value out of this video, do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button down there and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're watching this on YouTube, you'll see a red subscribe button down there. Go click that, join us. We release content like this every single week. We put out more information about AI tools, online business, lead generation, sales funnel, and just general make money online as a beginner, because your first business does not need to be perfect. It just needs to be live. Until next time, bye for now.